In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download or save WhatsApp status on your iPhone. By the end, you will know exactly how to capture both photos and videos from status, using only the built-in tools on your iPhone. Before we start, a quick reminder, always respect people's privacy. If a status isn't yours, get permission before saving or sharing. Let's begin with photos. When you see a status photo you want to keep, open it so it fills the screen. On most recent iPhones, take a screenshot by pressing the side button and the volume up button at the exact same time. You'll see a quick flash and a thumbnail preview appear in the corner. Tap that preview to open the editor or find the screenshot later in the Photos app. To make the image look clean, crop out the top and bottom bars from the status viewer. In the Photos editor, drag the crop handles so only the photo remains, then tap Done to save. That's it, the cropped image is now saved like any other photo, ready to share or keep in an album. Now, let's capture videos from status with screen recording. First, make sure screen recording is in your control center. Open Settings, go to Control Center, and add screen recording so the button appears when you open Control Center. With that set, open the WhatsApp status video you want to save and get it ready to play. When you are prepared, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center and tap the record button. You'll see a short countdown, then recording begins. Go back to the status and let the video play all the way through so you capture the full clip. When it finishes, stop recording by tapping the red bar or red record indicator at the top of the screen. Then confirm to stop. The recording is automatically saved to your Photos app. If you want the cleanest result, try to start recording just before the video begins and stop right after it ends. Keeping your phone steady and avoiding extra swipes during recording will help the final video look smooth. Once saved, your screenshot or screen recording will be in Photos, where you can view, organize, and share it like any other media on your iPhone. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.